Today's episode is brought to you by rainbowtrees.us.
Ah, did not know this.
When you add baking soda to your flowers, plants, trees and vegetables, it will be very rewarding. This month's garden hack will bring outstanding color, vigor and many flowers to your garden this year. It's a little trick using some baking soda that you probably have in your kitchen somewhere. The baking soda offers benefits to alkaline-loving plants. It acts as a fertilizer, depositing nutrients into the soil for your plants, and the effects are tremendous. Here is a simple way to increase your soil alkaline. A half teaspoon of baking soda will increase alkaline of 1 gallon of distilled water from pH level of 7 and bring the level up to 8.5 pH to 9 pH. There are thousands of plants that thrive in alkaline soil. You can simply search Google to find out if your plants will love this. Or you can watch our upcoming video on alkaline-loving plants. So when feeding your plants, use 1 gallon to half teaspoon of baking soda. This makes for an easy measuring tool to keep from overdoing it or underwhelming your plants. You can tweak the pH levels by simply adding more baking soda or taking some away. pH testers have come down in price and can be shipped to your door from places like eBay and Amazon. We will leave a couple links down in the description if you would like to go that route. Thanks for watching our garden hack of the month for January 2018, and have a wonderful new year.